Wow. Goodness. Hey guys, it's Brooks here with YNP Home Solutions. I'm in a project right now in Martinsburg, West Virginia that we are, this was a rental property for me. We're renovating this property. We're going to pass this on to the next owner. I'm not sure exactly. Hopefully this week we get this thing listed. Yeah, it's been a long ride. I mean, you never expect. You're always expecting to get on the market quicker. Or there's not as much work to be done. But I tell you, it's just, I find myself here, right? I'm not normally in the renovation process. I used to be a lot more involved in that, but this was one of those ones where, we just kind of get everybody else on board and get here all hands on deck so we can get this property on the market as soon as possible. If you're in this space, or if you're a landlord or anyone really, and you have a property, that maybe has become a burden to you, or maybe you just like to see what we could offer you, and you're looking to sell it. You're not really sure how you want to sell it yet, if you want to list it, but you want to see what your options are. That's why I named our company YNP Home Solutions, right? So we could give you solutions. It's not always a cash offer that's going to work for everyone, right? Well, that's why we have multiple ways that we can take down property. So anyway, if you're in the area here, Berkeley County, West Virginia, Washington County, Maryland, Frederick County, Maryland, really any part of the I-81 corridor, Franklin County, Pennsylvania, Waynesboro, Greencastle, things like that. If you're interested in seeing what YNP Home Solutions could offer you for your property, a quick, hassle-free solution, be sure to reach out to us, 240-244-3953, or certainly go online, which is where most people find us, at ynphomesolutions.com. Facebook's a great place as well. We post a lot of videos there. You've probably seen my face somewhere talking on Facebook, right? I love the platform. It's great for many, many things. But guys, I'm actually out here. I've been here a lot lately working on this property, and I actually enjoy that to some extent, right? But there's a lot of things, on the home office front, when I'm not there, don't get done. But this is what it takes. We're out working on a property right now. I'm here working on it. My hands are all full of paint. I just got finished painting a staircase here in this basement of this property. The property's coming along. The project's moving along. It's always a little slower than I'd like, but we're getting there. And this will be someone's home real soon. And we'll do some rent-to-owns with these properties as well, right? So keep an eye out for things like this, for rent-to-own. And that's a great way for people to become a homeowner without going through a bank. But anyway, anyone looking to sell, we're a cash buyer here. We'll buy it as is. We'll also give you some terms, that you didn't really even probably knew existed, in ways in which we could purchase your property. And, it's exciting. There's no one way to, I hate to use this phrase, but there's no one way to skin a cat, right? Or there's whatever, right? There's multiple ways that we can take down and help you out and give you some solutions that you might not even have known existed, right? So reach out to us, ynphomesolutions.com or 240-244-3953. Give us a call. Someone from our team will get on the phone with you, see if we could be a good fit for you. But don't wait, don't delay, because it happens so often. People let the properties just go, and then, it's too late, right? You have some time right now, so if maybe you're behind on payments, or you're not sure you can stay in the property, don't let it go into foreclosure. Call us. I got multiple ways I can help you out with a property that maybe you're behind on. Okay. All right. Take care, guys.